Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? So this is live price prediction of Vechain coin, and today I have something very special for Vechain holder. Must watch Vechain holder. This video is just and only for you, and especially for new holders. If you are new in crypto, so must watch. And please, you need to, if you want to earn money in crypto, so you need to subscribe this channel, because this is one of the unique YouTube channel they will give you a real price prediction. And remember, to this channel cannot make a video financial, especially they cannot make a financial videos, just in only advice for all of you now. So kindly must watch this video, because VChain is this time completely on the trending. 93.03% they will get a profit, and the price come to 0.14. And you can see here the latest current price is 0.13, but the highest price is 0.14 now. So as you can see, my friend, the price is continuously increasing this all month. So I think August will be going up very good now, and I am so happy, I'm so excited, because I am also holder of VChain. And I have no plan or business to sell it at the end of month. But if you have any plan to invest for short time, especially if you want to I buy the start of month and sell the end of month, so I think VChain is one of the good coin, my brother. And definitely, especially remember to, if you just only invest for last 10 days of every month, so remember to, they will make you millionaire now, because every coin will moving upward in the last 10 days of month. So therefore VChain is also wake up and starting moving upward. Congratulations, my brothers. This time VChain will be price increasing now, and I hope in upcoming time the VChain price is also starting increasing and jumping. But definitely, my friend, remember, this is just an only need your focus. If you starting selling, so remember to, they will fail down. But if you hold, so I will give you guarantee to, they will give you a profit, and the price will be increasing now. It is fails down because short term investors, they were starting selling. It is moving upward because short term investors, they are starting holding. So hope you understand, my brother. My prediction is totally going to be positive, and my opinion is for all my viewers, my subscriber, and absolutely who is new in crypto. This is, as a brother, I told you, my brothers, to, this is very good time to, you will be invest now, hold now, and definitely I will tell you to sell it at the end of month. Must my friend, watch my latest, my current and absolutely urgent updates video. Hope you understand to what you need to do, but wait for the end of this month. So hope you understand something new. For new videos, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.